And we're starting now.
I mean, a lot of that could have been my fault in just like certain things, you know?
First of all, I am so grateful for this weather. It's 42 degrees. I think we can barbecue in this. We can barbecue in this. We'll be all right. We gotta be grateful. We gotta soak it in.
Got my limeade. Now we can catch up. Oh my god. But let me get comfortable because your girl gotta sit. I gotta sit down. Where do I start? My plan was to start posting on YouTube again back in September. That was like my goal for my birthday month. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get back to posting. And it didn't happen. I actually did film vlogs a couple of times, but I don't know, I just felt like I was a little bit like in my head. Lately, I just got this random boost of energy, like you have to just start, you have to just do it. Even though I have just about 200 subscribers on here, I want to just say thank you to those 200 people for staying right here while I've been away for the past 5 years. There was a lot of things happening. A lot of life changes, things happening in the world. I'm the type of person, if I feel overwhelmed, I take a step back to just regroup myself. While I was away, I did finish school, which I'm super happy about. I became a mom. I'm 3 years into my career now. Like your girl was busy. I was doing stuff. I wasn't just away to just be away, but I was dealing with a couple of things, so I just took some time off from all of this to deal with that. Also, with me coming back from this long 4.5 year long hiatus, I want to touch on a little bit on something that I learned in my 20s, because the last time I posted on here, I was 21. No, I was 22. The last time I posted on here. I am 26 now. I don't know. I feel like low key, they kind of lied to us a little bit. Like, my 20s was not what I expected them to be at all. It was hard. Like, oh my God. I mean, a lot of that could have been my fault and just like certain things, you know? But, woo! I swallowed some of my gum. I'm gonna just take it out. Oh my God. Okay. While I was taking a break with certain stuff in my life, I had people like tell me, oh, you know, you shouldn't take a break. It's going to be hard, or you're not going to do this. You're not going to do that. You're not going to finish. You're not going to do. And it's like everything I said I was going to do so far in my 20s, I have gotten done. I've never not believed in myself, if that makes sense. And I think that's a beautiful thing. And you have to have that. You have to know yourself. You have to believe in yourself. You have to have a plan. You have to have a strategy. Things happen, life happens. Sometimes you have to like change route and like take a detour with certain things. But as long as you know for sure that you're going to get something done and you have a plan behind it, it's going to happen. You can't listen to people. So I appreciate that the most, because now it's like so many things in my life has changed, and there's times where I'm like, this is hard. I don't know what to do, or like there's so many things happening around me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this done, but I can't do it this way, but I can do it that way. So it helped me, and I'm super grateful for that. But yeah, it feels good to be back. I did some grocery shopping, and I have to start cooking. Today's Sunday, so you know what that means. We're getting ready for the week, so I can't stay here for too long, but I just wanted to make sure that I took the time to talk with you guys and give you a little bit of update about what's been going on. And I'm super excited, super grateful. Yeah, that's it. Let me start cooking. wish y'all can taste this through the screen. It tastes so good. The sauce is thick, but it's not too thick. It got a little bit of tanginess, but it's not sour. I hate sour ass spaghetti sauce. It tastes so good. I can't wait to layer this and put all this in the oven. Bruh, it's 6:42. This is about to go into the oven right now. I'm gonna put foil over it and maybe like an hour and a half. It'll be ready. Hey Google, set timer for an hour and a half.
Sure, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And we're starting now.
Alright, so I actually put the ziti back in the oven because I feel like it needed a little bit more time. I didn't want the cheese to be super runny, so we about to see. This is the moment of truth. Ooh, it's finished. I like when the cheese is like a little bit burnt, just a little bit toasty on the end. But this is done. It just needs to cool down because it's super, super hot. Pop in this cascade because I am not a maid. I'm tired. And baby, who's washing all these dishes? Not me. There was a few big things that I had to wash, but other than that, all this small stuff is getting washed on its own. I don't really like using the front camera to film, but it is what it is. It's super late. I am tired. Had to be up early, so I'm going to close out this video. Thank you to everyone who watched it. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.